Hello everyone, this is Aman, your full stack instructor. Welcome to Perfect eLearning family. In today's class, we will discuss how to add paragraphs and comments in HTML. So let's start without any delay. So students, in our previous lecture, we learned how to add headings and what are different types of headings available in HTML. So now let's start and learn how to add paragraphs and comments. For that, I'm creating one new HTML file, paragraphs and comments. Okay, so I have created one file. I have generated the code. I'm changing the title, paragraphs and comments. Now to add paragraphs in HTML, we use p tag. So I have created one p tag, and in between the opening and closing p tag, I will write the content of my paragraph. So this is my first paragraph. So I have written the content of my paragraph, and now I can launch this page. And as you can see, the paragraph is visible on the page. This is my first paragraph. Now let's add one more paragraph to see how it's visible on the page. So I have created one more p tag, and I'm writing here, this is my second paragraph. Okay. So as you can see, the second paragraph is also visible. So you can use the p tag to add as many paragraphs as you want. Okay. So let's come to next point, which is the adding comments. So the developer add comments in the code to basically uh, write that what a particular part of the code does. So for that purpose, developers write comment. For example, if I have written the code, but any other developer wants to read the code, then the other developer can read the comments and understand what the particular part of the code does, right? And we also write comment. For example, we want to add any functionality in the future, then we can comment that I will add this functionality in the future, so that whenever I'll see that code in the future, then I can read the comment and I'll know that here I have to add the functionality. So there are like multiple purposes of the comment. And one more thing, that the browser will ignore the comments. It will not be shown on the web page. That's why they are called comments. Okay, so now let's learn how to add comments. So there is one syntax. We have to write open angular bracket, then we have to exclamatory mark and two slash. Okay, that's it. So now we can write the content of our comment, like add paragraphs here. Okay, so I have written one comment here, but you will see that this comment is not visible on my web page because the browser will ignore the comments. Okay, so there is one more shortcut also to add the comment. Like you can write the text, add two paragraphs below, and you just have to press control and forward slash, and the VS Code will comment this line. So you can comment single line also, and you can comment multiple line also. Like um, here I can write multiple lines also. This is second line comment, and as you can see, it's not visible. So you can comment multiple lines also, and it will not be shown on the web page. Now you can comment code also. So suppose I have created two paragraphs and I will comment this code, then these paragraphs are not visible on the web page. So you can comment any line also, you can comment code also. So the comment will be ignored by the browser. So this was the basic overview of how to add comments in HTML and comments and paragraphs in HTML. So I hope you have learned this topic very well. So now practice or learn by yourself. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.